Today we have the 2018 Tesla Model X. This vehicle has done just over 64,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature. And if we click our Tesla icon in the bottom corner, we can access our controls, pedals and steering, suspension, autopilot, safety, service, and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. The Model X comes with our parking camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather cream and black interior.